You've been lied to, but not on my watch. I am going to expose 5 lies about content creation that I keep hearing over and over. Lie number one is that content creation is easy. I don't know where people get that from, but I must be very honest with you. Content creation is not easy. I know that in this life, there's nothing that is actually that easy. But you see, content creation, it is hard work. It is working round the clock. It is putting in so much time, so much effort, and sometimes getting little in return. Sometimes, not always. It takes a lot of hours of brainstorming, planning, ideation, recording, editing, creating graph. Like, it is so much. It is not easy at all. I hear people say things like, oh, content creation is the easy way out. It is easy. It is not. I need you to know that. I don't want you to come into content creation thinking it's easy. I don't want you to come into content creation believing these lies and then getting disappointed when you finally find out the truth. But the good thing about it is that it actually gives a really good return. You get great return for your efforts as you keep going with consistency. Okay. So when you start content creation and you start you start experiencing all the stress and all of that, don't quit because you will definitely reap the fruit of your labor. Yes, I said it's not easy, but I don't want that to scare you because it gets easier with time. As a beginner, it's going to be a lot because there are lots of things you will need to do, need to learn. You will need to find your routine, your rhythm. But once you get it, it gets easier from there. And each video you create, each content you put out takes you closer to getting your big break, takes you closer to achieving your goals. Lie number two is that you will blow up overnight. You see people say things like, oh, I just started last month and I got my first viral video. I just started yesterday and I got my 10,000 followers. That is not totally true. These people will not tell you that this is not their first channel. Neither is it their first account. For some people who say these things, they have tried and learned so much from their first accounts. This is not their first account. They have learned so much. They have practiced with their previous accounts and then they create another one and they are able to, hit the monetization in 10 days, 5 days, 2 weeks. It doesn't happen like that for everybody. For some people, they have put in years and years and years of hard work into creating content and getting better with each content. And then one of their videos now goes viral and it looks as if, oh, this person just blew up overnight. No, it doesn't always happen like that. The overnight success story just happens for a few people. It doesn't happen for everyone. For most people, it is a compound effect. You know how they say each drop of water fills a bucket. It is not the first drop that will fill the bucket. So you need to put in the work, put in the time, put in the effort. And like they say, you're one video closer to your goal. You're one video closer to your 4,000 watch hours and above. You're one video closer to your 1,000 subscribers. So don't come with the mindset that I'm going to blow up next tomorrow. And if that doesn't happen, you get discouraged. Okay. The third lie is that brands will start chasing you with their money. Yes, I wish that for you. But to be honest, that doesn't always happen. I'm going to hold your hands when I say this. Not every content creator is going to hit their $100,000 goal through brand deals. Yes, I said it. The thing is, there are lots of other ways that you can make money aside from brand deals. Lots of these creators don't even work with brands. There are many things that they do by the side with content creation to make money. And an example of this is selling digital products, having their memberships and all of that. Yes, you see people put out YouTube videos, but I tell you that even these top YouTubers have a digital product that they sell. Yes. So this is one of the ways that they make money and not necessarily from brand deals. I don't want you coming in and then you work so hard just to get brand deals and then the brand deals don't come and you start getting disappointed and trying to quit. No, there are many other ways that you will make money aside from brand deals. But yes, the brand deals will come, but I don't want that to be your main goal, your main purpose. The fourth lie is that it is always so much fun and, it never gets lonely. That's not true. No. The thing is, some days are fun, and other days are filled with lack of motivation, feeling isolated, and not even believing in yourself. And it's worse when you're doing all of this, putting in all the work, and you're not seeing the results yet. But one thing that will help you on these days is community. The community that you have built, the community that you have created. So I don't want you to chase, as you're starting your content creation journey, I don't want you to chase, subscribers and followers. I want you to focus on building a community of people who know you, love you, and trust you. That is what will keep you going. That is what will push you. That is what will keep you motivated when you experience those days that you are unmotivated. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Here's the truth you need to know. Creating content is more fun and exciting when you're not doing it alone. When you have a friend that is doing the same thing that you can just, have a conversation with, share your journey, share your ups and downs with. That just makes it a lot easier and fun. And number 5 is not really a lie, it's just a truth that is not well explained. It is not well understood. And that is, you need to show up consistently to grow. I want to say 2 things about this. First of all, we have this belief that consistency means posting every day, but that's not true. Consistency is relative. Consistency means showing up when you say you will. If you say you're going to show up 5 times a week, show up 5 times a week. If you say you're going to show up 3 times a week, then let that be your consistency. Okay, it doesn't have to be showing up once every day or 2 times every day. No, it's showing up when you say you will, with the time that you have, based on your life. What is it? How much time do you have for content creation without burning out? That is your consistency. If what you can put in right now is once a week, that's your consistency. If it's twice a week, that's your consistency. So make sure that you show up when you say you will. And secondly, you need to be doing the right thing consistently to achieve your goals. You can't be doing the wrong things consistently to achieve your goals. No, it's just going to make things worse for you. So make sure that you're doing the right things, the things that you need to be doing, the kind of content that you need to be putting out. Have a strategy that helps you achieve your goal and follow it consistently. That is how you can grow and achieve your goals. So let me know which of these lies you have believed. I hope I have been able to, tell you the truth or make you understand the truth and, just help you in my own little way. Thank you for watching this video. If you've watched so far, thank you so much for staying with me. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want to learn how to create content and show up confidently, I have a course that will help you. I'm going to add it in the description and also on the pinned comments in the comment section. So you can just go through it. You can choose to work with me. You can go through the course and learn at your pace while asking me questions in our WhatsApp community. Let me know what else you would like to learn about content creation. I want to create content that actually helps you. And there are 3 mindsets that you need as a content creator to help you achieve your goals. These mindsets are simple but very, very important. So watch this video right here to know and understand this mindset, and I'll see you there. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.